How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Today I'll be making some English muffin pizzas in my Ninja Foodi extra large grill. These are the muffins I'm using. They're in the refrigerated section in the store where the biscuits are. So they're cold and they need to be refrigerated. Okay, I'm just going to use 2 of these. We'll split them open so me and Walter will each have 2 halves. And I keep my pizza making stuff in one bag. Okay, let me show you. Before I angle this camera downward so you can see what I'm doing. I'm not using cheddar. Okay, I'll be using, where's my sauce? Tried to have everything ready and still didn't. I don't think I'm putting no jalapenos on there right now. Okay, I was trying to figure out how to make the sauce not sink all down into the English muffin. This is the pizza sauce I'm using. The Jewel brand. Just regular pizza sauce. Okay, because you know, regular pizza dough or crust that you can buy, it's not going to have all these nooks and crannies like an English muffin. So I didn't want all the sauce to sink down in these holes and soak up in the bread. I'm trying to open it. See, I'll clean that later. See, you got all these holes in, and the sauce will just sink all into it. And I didn't want that. So, I got me some cream cheese. This regular Philadelphia cream cheese. And I spread it on the muffin first before I put the sauce on. So I'm going to show y'all all this. Once I angle the camera down, I use the mozzarella and provolone cheese. You can use the cheese of your choice. And I'm using some Jimmy Dean fully cooked pork sausage links. And I just need 1 link for each of us. Okay, I'm going to set everything up and change the angle of the camera. Okay, I'm going to split this open. Usually I just pull it apart, but I'm going to cut this without cutting my hand. You sure you don't want no meat on yours? This sausage.
Nah.
This kind.
Oh.
Yes or no?
Nah.
Yeah, you ain't gonna do nothing but pick it off. So I'll put that sausage link up. Try to split them. And put the sausage up. You can say it because the camera is on. What you want to tell my honeys? Huh? He just said to tell my honeys that he's a vegetarian. Yeah, right. Mm-hmm. Let me aim this camera at your stomach. Huh, dude?
Eating all them plants.
Eating all them plants, huh? Okay. I'm going to pre-cut this so it'll be ready to put on. Oh, I'm using this pan. And I got a piece of foil in here. Because if I ain't got to wash the pan, then I'm all about ease. I don't want to wash it. So I'm just going to cut this now. And Walter don't want no sausage, so here you get it now.
I'm a vegetarian.
Oh, man.
I see it.
So just cut the sausage. Now I'm going to use the cream cheese Wipe this knife off. Okay, spread cream cheese on each half. And it comes straight out the refrigerator, so it's not even room temperature. Just spreading this on here to make a smooth surface for the sauce. I'm just dropping crumbs all over the floor. Okay, when I finish this, I'll be back. So y'all ain't gotta sit here and watch me do this. Filling in all these holes. Well, most of them. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I got all 4. Let me show you. Got all 4 English muffins. Spread it with the Philadelphia cream cheese. I got crumbs all over my floor. Now I'm going to put this pizza sauce. You can use any sauce. I'm using this little, what you call it, baster brush. Just putting it on top of the cream cheese. Just painting it on here. I'll show y'all. I don't know if the camera needs to be up a little higher. I like a lot of sauce. I'm putting a lot on Walter since that's all he's getting basically. The sauce and the cheese. Put some more on mine. Ooh. Okay. This is a silicone basting brush I got from Amazon not too long ago. And it rinses off very nice. So I'm going to throw this in the sink. Get the sauce over here so it don't burn. Okay, so I'm through with the sauce. Get over there. See, at this point I'm going to season it. Season that sauce. Got some basil. Putting it right on top of the sauce. You can put it on top of the cheese if you want, but I want to season this sauce. And I don't sprinkle it right on the pizza because I might shake too much. I don't want to do that. Okay, that's good. I'm using oregano. Just a little. This will do all 4 halves. And I'm sure Walter's going to put extra on his. He always re-seasons my food. And some red pepper. Walter said he wants a little. Okay. That's a little. That's what I call a little. Now I'm going to put cheese on it. This is provolone and mozzarella. And it's the big cut. This big cheese. It ain't the little shreds. I'm not going to preheat. this. I'm just going to go right into the cooking mode. I'm going to cook it for between 5 and 6 minutes. I'm trying to get him a lot of cheese. Well, I want a lot of cheese too. Put some on. And the sausage. This is how it looks so far. So I already cut the sausage up. I'm just dotting it here and there. So this is one whole sausage link. And he don't want none. So fine with me. Cut this again. Okay, and let's sprinkle some pepper on top of, and I don't use salt on pizza because cheese is salty. Okay. Okay. Walter likes it. He's gonna re-season it. I'm gonna take the camera off so y'all can see before I cook it. I'm putting all this cheese that fell off on here. Just a minute. Okay, that's how it looks so far. Those here's 2 halves and there's mine with the sausage. Okay. Okay, close it. And I'm going to turn it on. I've already plugged it in. Oops, turn it on. Put on air crisp setting, 400 degrees for 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Oops. And turn it on. And it says preheat. I don't want it to preheat, so I'm gonna press preheat, open it, and close it. So now it's cooking. And I will be back. Okay, y'all. I found the right angle of the camera. So it's been cooking for 5 minutes and about 5.5 minutes. So I'm gonna stop it now. Unplug it. Okay. Let me take this off so y'all can see. Okay, that's how they look. Okay, I'm gonna take them out. Okay, use the regular spatula to get them out. So, here's mine. Yum, yum, yum. Here's Walter's. Let me get a thumbnail. For the thumbnail, I'm going to end this. End this back the way it should be. I don't know. I feel stupid if I drop them. I drop Walters. Oops. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. I want to taste it. Look at that. Don't it look good? I ain't getting my thumbnail. Okay, here's my pizzas. My English muffin pizzas. Made in the Ninja Foodi Extra Large Grill. Okay, let me taste. It's hot. Y'all know it's hot. And everybody knows better than to bite into some piping hot pizza. And it's already crispy because it's an English muffin. They're crispy. And the brown and served sausage already done. So everything just has to heat up. So you ain't got to worry about eating nothing raw. Don't want to bite. I hear the crispiness. And the cream cheese gives it a nice little twang. It's good. It's still crispy, but foldable. Some people like to fold their pizza. I think the New Yorkers like to fold their pizza. Try cream cheese on the bottom of your crust. If you make this, it's good, y'all. It's good. Good. It's saucy and cheesy and meaty, and it's seasoned. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. A lot of y'all still ain't subscribed. Y'all watch me every day, which is a blessing for me. But y'all ain't subscribed. It's free. So, I'd like it if you would subscribe. Okay. Bon appetit. Okay. Bye. Be blessed.